Hey, Brenda here at the Pop-Up Homestead. My seedy friends, let's go see what Sean's doing over in the new cabin. He is hard at work. As always, he has been hard at work since we first got here. Oh, uh-oh. Well, you guys haven't seen the inside of the cabin yet, have ya? Well, we started moving a few things in. But this is by the front door and where the porch is. Hey, Sean.
What's up, guys?
Look at you. Hardwood floor. That looks sweet.
Yeah, this is repurposed. You know, I told you about Ray. He does construction, and we are fortunate enough to get some things that he pulls out of houses. And we got this. We've got a bunch of, you can see a bunch of carpet right here.
Yeah, really nice carpet.
So I'm working on having a little foyer office spot. And then the rest is going to be carpet, I believe. So we'll see, but it's coming together.
Yeah, I think it looks great. This is the first I've seen it, and I think it looks really nice. Yeah, really good stuff. And see, there's a bunch more pieces here that he hasn't put down yet. So, trying to do some stuff before too many things get moved in here. So, the cabin's still kind of empty. I think we're going to be insulating it next weekend. So, unless there's anything else, I think we're going to sign off for the homestead tonight. Anything you want to add, Sean?
That's it. We're just working.
Nice.
Go do something creative.
All right. And if you haven't already, follow our channel, like it,
Subscribe,
and
thumbs up.
share it with all your friends, because why not? We're pretty interesting.
Yeah, hey, it's comical anyway. Having a good time.
Yeah, there you go. All right. Have a good night, all.
See
Bye.
ya.